Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to make a chart for the elements of art. And the first thing you're going to do, which you probably have already done, but I will do it again anyway, is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. And then you go and fold it again in half. Make sure those edges are touching each other. And then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it this way. There we go. So now you have 8 sections. And then you see all these creases, we're going to outline them. So this is where most of you are. You have the paper with the outlines. So I'm going to go ahead and just follow the lines very carefully. I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm using a purple marker, but you can use any kind of marker. For this, we're going to be using markers and we're going to be using crayons. To make it faster, I just went ahead and chose one color of marker to do all of my elements. So now I'm going to turn this around and we're going to write elements of art. And the first element that we're going to write here is line. So I'm going to make it close to the edge. See how I'm making it up here? And then I'm making a little box right there. So I'm going to write the different kind of lines. Straight, wavy, zigzag, like this is like a spring, or loop-de-doop, dashes. I call these like ocean, hop, swirls. There's more, but these are the only ones that can fit in here. Next one would be shape. I'm making a triangle, a square, rectangle, trapezoid, and there's other shapes like organic, and leaf. You can even put a heart there if you want to. Color. This is where we put a whole bunch of colors in there, but I'm not going to do it right now because I'm going to add the color at the end. Texture. So for this one, you make a cactus because it has prickly and it's easy to draw this. If you want to make a dog, you can do so. If you want to, because dogs are furry and that's another texture. So I'm making some hair. If you want to do a poodle, then the hair will be curly, right? This one's a hairy doggy. And then we do form on this one. Remember, form is like a shape, but 3-dimensional. So I start with a square here, diagonal line, diagonal line, diagonal line. I'll connect those two and then connect those two and you have a cube. You can make like a cone, like a party hat, which is a upside down V and then a curved line. And you can do like a pot. You make like an oval and then you make like a curvy line going this way and then a curvy line going this way and then you make a little curvy line on the bottom. Then we have value. Value is the lightness of or a darkness of a color. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and grab a crayon just to show you. Goes from dark, really dark, really dark. I press really hard and then I start pressing a little bit lighter, not as hard, and lighter and lighter. Now I'm hardly pressing at all until it becomes very, very light. There it is, from dark to light. The next one is space. So I'm going to create here a horizon, and I am going to, right here in the middle, I'm going to make an upside down V. And then I'm going to make a line this way, a smaller line, a smaller line, so it can create distance. I'm going to make some mountains here. I'm going to write I'm going to draw a big person right here and a smaller person up here to make it look like it's far away. See that? So now it's time to add the color. For color, I'm going to make polka dots of different colors. You can make lines. So I did different colors. And then I'm going to color everything else. I have another one over here. Ta-da! See how I added some color on the lines. I colored the shapes. This was already there. I colored the cactus, the doggy. I colored my forms. I colored my space. And that we had already done. So I hope you have fun with this project. Bye.